Hello, you had a question about number 25 on quiz 6. It says the average thickness of books on a library shelf is 8.3 centimeters. The standard deviation is zero point 0.6 centimeter. If 20% of the books are oversized, find the minimum thickness of the oversized books on the library shelf. Assume the variable is normally distributed. Alright, so let's draw a graph. This is your normal curve. And let's say out here is 20%. Remember that the area underneath the graph is 100%. So if this is 20%, everything over here to the left is 80%. So we need to figure out the z-value that separates these two. So now remember your book gives you the area to the left. In the standard normal distribution table, it gives you the area to the left of the z-value. Well, we know that the area to the left in this problem is 0.80. So we need to figure out the z-value that corresponds to that. So I'm going to pull up the normal distribution table. This is it right here. Oh no, let me go back. Okay, here we go. So, I'm trying to get you in order to figure out the corresponding z-value, you have to look in the body of the table for 0.8. So I'm going to get as close as possible to 0.8 as I can. And this table, I believe I pulled this table off of another book, but it should have the same numbers. That last decimal might be off, but um, not by too much. But anyway, so in this one, I got 0.7995. I circled it for you. So to figure out the z-value that corresponds, you got to move over to the left, and that's how I got the zero point 0.8 right here. And then you got to move up to the top, and that's how I got the last number, which is 4. Alright, so that's the z-value. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to use this formula to solve. And we need to get x by itself. So that's what we're trying to solve for, is x. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. And then to get x by itself, I'm going to add mu to both sides. So we got all the information that we need. We know that the z is 0.84. We know that sigma is 0.6. Sigma is the standard deviation. And we know that the mean is 8.3. So when you multiply 0.84 times 0.6, you get 0.504 plus 8.3. And when you add these two together, you get 8.804. And that's your x. Oops. Alright, hope that helps.